everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Alrighty, it's that time of month already. It's about time for everybody to start doing their unboxings, and looks like the first one I got this month already, it is the 4th. It is May 4th, and the first one I got is Lashybox. So this will be the first one that I'm going to be doing this month. Alrighty, so let's get right into it. Alright, and as always, you just open it up and there you go. I know I have a fingernail broken. I didn't even know it was broken until my husband told me. I didn't even feel it pop off or nothing, y'all. Whatever. Anyway, alright, so the first thing that I see in here is a Ruby May 222 brush. Looks like a nice little blending brush there. And it's by Ruby May, which is the cosmetics brand of the owner of the Lashybox. Can you see that? Oh, am I even holding it right? Let me take it out the paper. Dip it, child. Dip it, dip it, dip it. But yeah, nice. And the next thing is Premium Silk Lashes by Kaz Cosmetics. Let's see. And this looks like it's in the style Bellatrix. And looks like this. Very nice, nice. I love using my Lashybox lashes, but then sometimes I do give them away in the giveaways as well. Oh, these are mine, baby. I love Zola lashes, and the first time I ever had them was in the Lashybox. But anyway, these are Zola lashes. They're in the style Iris. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at those lashes. Woo! Love it. These are premium 3D mink lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. And that is a true freaking statement about Zola lashes. I mean, there's other ones that's like that too, but that is true. The ones that I've been wearing, I think I've worn them only about 6 times already now. Not these. These are something else. But yeah, these are nice. I like these a lot. Nobody not getting those are mine. Alright. Oh, these are nice too. Jackie Love Faux Mink Lashes. Let's see. These are in the style Storm. Beautiful lashes as well. I tend to give away a lot of the less dramatic ones because I'm a dramatic girl. I just am. These ones that I have on today are from Juno. I did do an order from Juno. I didn't film or anything because it was a small one. I got a couple sponges, some brushes, and some lashes from there. That's all. And, you know, I didn't do a haul on. I was going to, but, you know, it wasn't really worth all that. But, yeah, these are it. And it's the first time I ever ordered from the company Juno, too. So, you know, I got to check out their sponges. They kept coming across Instagram a lot when I was on there. So I said, you know what, let me just look at the website and see if I see them. So I saw it. They was having a sale, so I got a few things. But, yeah. Anyway. These are nice lashes. Really nice. They're more subtle, but I do like them a lot. I like them a lot. I would order these again. Oh, and their lashes is only $1. $1. Yeah. Let me just show you. They weigh in the back. Well, not in the back, but I can pull out 2. I got 6 pairs, but this is what they look like. They sort of look like lollipop, you know, they're on lollipop sticks, just like the one that I have an affiliate link for, and use my code TANIKA10. But yeah, these are $1. The ones that I am affiliate with are UK brand, and they're like 7 something in American currency. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. But yeah, see, these are like this. I'm all over the place again. These are by Juno. I could only pull out 2. I got 6 pairs. This is 1 pair. I got these, and I got some more back here, but I can't get to them right now. But anyway, yeah, so I got some of those. So anyway, back to the box. Oh my gosh, Tanika. And looks like there's another pair of lashes, and these are also from Kaz Cosmetics Premium Silk Lashes. These are in the style Venus. Very nice also. I would probably give these ones away though. Yep. I would probably include them in the giveaway that's coming up as soon as my order gets here. And the last thing in here is let's see, Kaz Cosmetics single eyeshadow in the color Circe, C-I-R-C-E, Circe, I don't know, but whatever. It looks like this. This is the color, and very, very bright, vibrant, orangey, pinky looking type thing. Or it could be red, but look at that pigment. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. It's nice. It's like a mixture of red and orange and pink all in one, but it's pretty. It's very pretty. I like this. I'll be using this. Alrighty, and that is all that was in my May Lashybox this month. I really enjoyed the box as always. Last month I did a lash tutorial, so I'm not going to do that this month with it. So I did do one with my unboxing last month. Alright, now hold on a minute, everybody. I do have a surprise unboxing, and that is this little goodie right here. Don't want to show too fast because it's my address, but this is also from Lashybox. This is the Lashybox Mystery Bag. I believe this was $15 or $15.99, something like that. I don't know. But I decided to go ahead and get it when I saw it on their Instagram. I knew the Lashybox, my regular subscription for $13.99 was coming. So then I saw this and I said, let me go ahead and try a mystery bag. And that's what I did. And here it is. Came the same time. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and cut open this and see what's inside. I probably didn't even need to cut it, did I? Probably come right open. Yeah, it does. Okay. Yeah. So let's just pull it open just in case I'm not cutting nothing. Alright, let's see what the mystery is, everybody. Alright, so it comes wrapped in bubble wrap. Everything is in this. Yeah. Alright, nothing else in there. It's in the bubble wrap. Looks like this. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. It's wrapped very nicely. I don't even know where to start. Oh, right here. With the bubble wrap. Alright. Okay, and I'm just going to pull everything out so I don't have to keep digging in this bag. Just pull it all out, and that way we can talk about it. Put this down. Alright, so everything's out that bag, and we're just going to go right through it. And first thing I see is lashes, candy lashes in the style taffy. Really cute, but I might give these away in a giveaway. I'm not sure yet. These are cute. I don't know about that. These are cute, but you know, I want my subscribers to be looking cute too, the ones that wear lashes. Yeah, you know, there's nothing wrong if you don't wear lashes. That's why I said the ones that wear lashes. Alright, that's one thing. The next thing I see is a Clinique chubby stick, and this is in the color Super Strawberry. Looks like this. And let's go ahead and put that up on here. My swatching is horrible. Oh, this is like a little, it's like a lip balm basically. It's not going to have a lot of color. Chubby stick. Moisturizing, yeah, moisturizing lip color balm. Okay, so it doesn't have that, it's not going to have color like that. So, you know, it's not pointless to do that. But that's cute though. I'll definitely wear it as lip balm, believe that. And the next thing I see is a Peel Pigment, which I believe I have this in one of my other Lashyboxes, but you know, it's okay. You never have too much pigment or glitter. Believe you never have too much pigment or glitter. But yeah, I do believe this was in one of my regular Lashyboxes, but because it's in my surprise mystery bag, that is cool too. Next thing is, let's see, the Ico London Waterproof Lash Enhancing Carbon Black Liquid Eyeliner. So yeah, can y'all see that? And It's just black, so you know that's just gonna be basic black. Oh, that's black too. Nice black. Black. Very deep black. I like that. Next thing is, what is this? Rude. It's Rude Goddess. Oh, Rude Goddess, like duh. Facial shimmer. This is the box. This is the box, and it's a facial shimmer. And let's just put a little here. See what it looked like on the skin. Just a little bit. And let's see, right here. Let's just rub this in a bit. See what it looks like as the shimmer. Not bad. It's kind of patchy, sticky. Like, I mean, it's not bad. Maybe you just got to work with it. But, you know, you don't want nothing that you got to rub this hard on your face. You rub it on your face, you're going to tear your makeup off. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, you know, just got to work with it. This is okay, though. I might try it. I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know. I might put in the giveaway because you see I didn't use it. I just squeezed just a tip. So, but, you know, we'll see. As far as that. And then the last thing in the mystery bag is Ruby May Cosmetics custom enhancer drops. Looks like a nice size bottle. Looks like it might look like the Cover FX enhancing drops or glitter drops. Oh, yes it does. About the same size. Oh yes, this is pretty. I like this color. This is nice. This is like a rose gold, ain't it? Do I have a color on here? You can put this kind of stuff in foundation, mix it with a highlight. You can put it in your eyeshadow. All types of stuff. You can do it. Let me try it on this hand. I'm going to try it on this hand. Like, see that? And then let's do a little. Oh yeah, that's it right there. That's it. Now you can see it. Blends out nicely. Smooth. Yeah, this will look nice mixed in. Oh yeah. This will be nice. Yep. Or you can just add it, you know, to your cheekbones right there. Add it as like some little blush. That's pretty. That's nice and pretty. Yep. I like it. I like it. And let's see, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 products in the mystery bag for $15. Not bad. I'm happy with this. I'm okay with it, you know. It's cool. Just 15 bucks, not a problem at all. I like it. So yeah, and that is all that I have for you today. I really appreciate you sticking with me through this double unboxing today. Now, if you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. You don't want to do that. You'll be missing all of this craziness. Like my video and comment. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Bye.